Font refers to a set of digital shapes in a single style, scalable to different sizes. A font family or typeface refers to the collection of related fonts across styles and sizes. To use a font on Windows, you should install it first. Windows comes with a bundle of pre-installed fonts. Fonts are kind of arts. Font should be suitable for the content. To change the font, select the text, Home tab, Font group, click the font down arrow in the font box, select your font. For shortcut, press CTRL D and then press Alt F. Select your font, press OK.